I'm in love with chronic pain. I have a passion. If anyone has a year, I will bend your ear and speak to you 4 hours nonstop about that. And that's the passion I have. And the thing I discovered in this journey recently is that chronic pain actually found me. I didn't find chronic pain.
Can you say a little bit more about that?
I got excited about the possibilities because I discovered that really, and this is the part where I really love the work. Part of my job is to really help people explain to them is why do they really hurt? And this is the part of modern pain neuroscience. And it's similar to, and I want to share this with you, it's similar to when clinicians used to believe, physicians specifically believe that the world was flat, for example, that mentality, and now the world is round. We're kind of stuck in this conundrum of is it flat or round, meaning that is this because of my body is damaged or is it because it's the nervous system or the brain? And so we have two separate people, groups of people who tend to still believe the old science. And the sad part about this is the medical system seems to unfortunately perpetuate this. And I don't believe they're being bad people. We know what we know to the best of our knowledge to know what we know. And so in medical school, they're taught dualism by some fellow named Descartes. Descartes was a philosopher, a French philosopher, Rene. He says, I think, therefore I am. So you exist because you can actually see yourself. And he goes on and writes about that. I was very big on philosophy in undergrad. And he talks about dualism. And by the way, just on a side note, Rene Descartes' father was really mad at him for not going to medical school. And Rene Descartes traveled the world, gallivanted around the world, and finally came back home and his father said, you got to do something with your life. And he says, oh, I'll go lecture at school, at medical schools. And this is the fellow that separated us. The dualism occurred from there. It's called the Cartesian model. If something is broken, the toe is broken, or you're feeling pain, let's fix it, and the bell up here will not ring. Well, that's old science. That's equivalent to the world is flat. Modern science says that is not so. This all comes from a reservoir, for example, of the brain. And the brain communicates with the body, and the body communicates with the brain. It is one system we call the nervous system.
This is Lynn Fraser with the Radical Recovery Summit airing January 13th to 22nd, 2023. Please go to radicalrecoverysummit.com to view the clips and the interviews.